This is your answer key for practice 6.2, solving one-step equations. In number 1, the variable is n. It's being divided by 1.1, so we're going to multiply by 1.1. That'd be the inverse operation, and do that to both sides. You notice n is now by itself, and you go use the check step to substitute in 46.2 for n, and you see that it checks. 46.2 is the solution. The next equation, the inverse operation is subtract 2.15 to both sides. Get x by itself. Do the check step by substituting, and you know your solution's correct. In number 4, inverse operation is to add 16. Do that to both sides, and you get c by itself. Do the check step, and you notice c equals 14 is correct. In number 5, the inverse operation is divide by 14 to both sides. Then do your check step by taking your solution and substituting in for a, and show that both sides are the same. A equals 3.2. And the next problem, number 6, inverse operation is to multiply by 15. Do that to both sides. You get y by itself. Then make sure you check by substituting in negative 45 for y and show both sides are equal. On the back, in number 7, you want to use the reciprocal. Dividing by negative 1/4 is the same as multiplying negative 4 on both sides. Then do your check step. Make sure you check to see that your solution is correct. And then the final problem, number 8, you would multiply by the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. Do that to both sides, and you end up with negative 21/2, which is negative 10.5. And then you substitute it in to do the check step and see that it is correct.